Welcome back! Today let's talk about my updated Travel EDC for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out to explore the world, having the right essentials can make all the difference. So let's talk about that. And first let's talk about tech. A couple of weeks ago I've upgraded to the sleek and powerful MacBook Pro M3 Max. My old MacBook Pro from 2013 actually needed an upgrade, so that's why I decided to invest once into a machine that is perfect for editing videos or photos on the go or catching up on work. And yes, its lightning fast performance and stunning display ensures that I can easily stay productive wherever I go. On top, for seamless file transfers and extra storage, I also rely on an external SSD. Its high-speed performance and compact design makes it a valuable addition to my travel gear, allowing me to back up photos and videos on the go and free up space on my devices. Next up, let's talk about camera gear, and for capturing photos and recording videos on the go, I rely on the incredible Canon R5. Its stunning image quality and advanced features makes it a must-have for me. From close-ups, landscape to portraits, the Canon R5 delivers great results all the time, and I don't want to miss it anymore. Currently my favorite zoom lenses are the 15-35, 24-70 and the 70-200, and my favorite prime lenses are the 35mm 1.8 macro, 85mm 1.2 and the newest edition, the 100mm 2.8 macro. For me that's a perfect setup except for a telephoto lens for some wildlife shots, but that will be a future upgrade. Next up, let's talk about my phone, and of course staying connected is essential, and that's why I always have my trusty iPhone 14 Pro with me. For me the overall performance in combination with its great camera is just perfect, plus the overall design and the intuitive interface makes it a joy to use. And to keep my iPhone powered up throughout the journey, I never leave my home without the Apple MagSafe battery. The compact design and the magnetic attachment makes it easy to stay charged wherever I go, ensuring that I can always check mails and my social media apps and so on. And since we already started to talk about Apple stuff, for immersive audio experience on the go I still use the AirPods Pro in combination with this awesome walnut case. Basically the noise cancelling technology and the comfortable fit make them perfect for long trips, allowing me to escape into my favorite music and podcasts while blocking out distractions. Plus for sure their wireless design means no tangled cords to worry about, which is always great. On top I also still use the Apple Watch, but to be honest here, currently I'm just using it as a watch or for navigation. And exactly that's why I never bought a new one in the last couple of years, because it simply wasn't necessary. Okay, but now let's talk about non-tech gadgets. And first up, my all-time favorite, the multi-tool. This one comes in handy for everything from opening packages to fixing unexpected issues along the way. Its durable construction and versatile functionality makes it a valuable addition to my travel kit. The one that I use is a Leatherman, and I'm pretty sure there are better options out there, but for me that's all I need, and that's why I always have it in my camera bag. But let's not forget about some other essentials. For example, my trusty vintage wallet keeps my cards and cash secure. It's not too big and not too small, and that's super important for me, because otherwise I always tend to clutter my wallet with all kind of unnecessary things. And yes, at the end of the day, a good old wallet is not just a functional item, it should also fit your EDC. That's why I decided to stick with my basic wallet that got this vintage touch. And yes, on top, I never leave the house without my trusty coffee mug. And for sure, whether it's a hot cup of coffee or tea, having a reliable mug in your EDC is a game changer. Especially this one is nice for all the camera nerds out there, because it actually looks like a good old lens. And that's why it's a perfect fit for my EDC as well. Last but not least, for writing down quick notes and sketching out ideas, I always carry a mini notebook and a pen. Because yeah, you never know when inspiration will strike, and having a compact and portable solution for capturing ideas ensures that you never miss any important notes. Plus there's something satisfying about putting pen to paper in these days, so if you don't have a trusty notebook for your EDC, definitely check them out. But yeah, that's my travel EDC for 2024. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.